Hello everyone, I'm Edmund, the General Manager of ITOP Kitchen. Today we are showing you our manufacturing center. All this product line is for bending. You will see this is before bending, this is after bending. This is the punching machine. We have two laser machines. This one is 1K watt, another is 3K watt. You will see this laser machine has two layers, so they can work in changing working, so it's in high efficiency. Here is the installation area. You can see this combination oven are ready for packaging. Okay, follow me. The conveyor toaster on the production line. This time 120 pieces for the warm cut this model. This workshop is for other products, showcase and griddle. All the machines here are unfinished. We will install different parts inside. For example, the heating element, thermostat, controller, and so on. This electric fryer is for the Arabic market. Here is our warehouse. All the goods will be stored here before the container. Welcome to our showroom. We are professional in catering equipment. This is all what we do for the production. I hope you enjoyed today's factory trip. Bye bye.